Okay, so my Rapid 34 stopped firing, and this pin here just extended right where it is there and wouldn't fire. So I then went about pulling it apart to find out what went wrong. Now, one of the bad things I did was that there's a little L clip here. You don't take that out. It just breaks as soon as you... So you leave that in, and all you do is literally drive this pin, straight out with through here. I've got a drill just keeping it central here, but yeah, just drive that straight through, and this handle will come off, and this will come off. So we'll just take this off, take that out. And here was the problem. There's a little flat plate just in here, and it's got a percussion piece of Teflon sitting there, so it just doesn't bang every time you pull the trigger. So you pull the trigger here, this bit here catches on that clip there. This is the spring that goes up and down, and that's the action there, but of course you can't see it because it's not pressed on. So that's the action there. So this had just got old and tired, and so I made a piece, got an old cup hook, and cut the plastic off, put it on the top, and here we have it, all ready to be assembled. So so you put this here, put that there. I put a drill through it so you know that you're absolutely central whilst you're pushing the pin through. So you drive the pin all the way through so it's nice and flat. If you're like me and you've broken that pin, this one here, you can replace it with a split pin and just turn it sideways, so because this holds it not only together that way, but it also holds this from coming out. So you just turn that on the edge, give it a little tap. So you give it a little tap and make sure that it's sitting there and holding that both across, and so this can't move out. It's got to be held firmly, hopefully with a piece of high tensile steel. Just spread it at the other back here, and that should be that. So we'll put some staples in. And give it a try. Bingo, here it is, all fixed. Beautiful.